My name is Naoki Makino. I'm a director of startup division at JETRO. And JETRO is a Japanese government agency promoting trade and investment between Japan and the rest of the world. And we support Japanese startups going abroad. And at CES, we have 31 startups from Japan at Japan Pavilion at Eureka Park. And we support Japanese startups like having their booths at CES to get partners, get connection with potential partners, and also we provide a lot of mentoring service with Japanese startups to change their mindset to people global market. We have a lot of partnerships with global VCs like Texas, StarX, and 500 global, many well-known VCs from Silicon Valley. And with that, we provide a mentoring service and also connection with investors and with potential partners. So, and Japan, we have lots of deep tech startups. For example, we have one quantum computing startup this time, and also we have lots of AI startups. And also, we are very good at entertainment content business. You know, we have anime, game industry, a big one. And we have many entertainment content startups as well. This time we have seven startups from Japan in entertainment content industry at CES. And also we have very good material oriented startup as well from university. You know, a Japanese university has a lot of good technologies, and they are doing the startups like to get those materials or deep tech technologies get into market. Japanese government is putting more resources on supporting startups and trying to change the innovation ecosystem in Japan. So in 2022, Japanese government published a 5 years plan to support startups, and government put many budget to support Japanese startups and trying to make more unicorns from Japan. And we have more and more Japanese entrepreneurs trying to get into global market. So yeah, I think we will have more unicorns, more well-known companies like next Toyota from Japan.